And one of the ones that has given us a lot of success, to the extent that Mawurehini, Dr. Osei, who was working with me, won the World Prize for products locally made. Dr. Osei, when we had our first Pan-African Congress of Dermatology in Accra. This is called Masheri. For people who have hair loss, for people who have difficulty in maintaining their hair well, and turning it to the natural hair, this one contains no chemicals which can harm your. So I recommended wholly Masheri, and you can see some of our workers here, even our matron, who is over 80 years now, has been using it, and she's very happy with it. So I recommend this highly, and we can assure you that when you use it, you see it. It's cost effective, and it is a product of Rabito Clinic.